I've been looking forward to getting one of these duplicators. Let's take it out of the box and see how it comes. There's no handle or anything, so you just pick it up out of the styrofoam, I guess. And I'll put it over here and take the plastic off. Alright, so the cord is sort of wrapped around the catches here, the clamps. So it's a 3-prong outlet. You've got a place here to put a light bulb. You've got the 2 clamps here. They're spring loaded. This one is set up to hit this blade, and this one's set up to hit the cutter. I think there's also a you can do it manually, or you can let the machine pull it, so that'll be interesting. So that's how it comes out of the machine. There must be a hand crank in here too. I can see there it is, and that'll go on the end here to let us manually crank the keys through, or the machine will pull it through. Alright, looks pretty heavy, nice solid base, kind of a simple design, and looks like a pretty solid cutter. Hope that helps.